In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover a magnetic charging station. Check this thing out. Look at all of the features on this. This is for iPhone, for Android, and it works with earbuds. And they've used a very innovative way of making these magnetic charger work, something I've not seen very often, but there's a few things going on inside this. Let me open it up and show y'all exactly what you get with this. Number one, you open it up and it looks kind of like a cool little purple car there. You get the actual unit itself and you see how that looks. It's got a USB-C on the back. You get this little bag of adapters right here, and I will show you what those adapters go to. And then you get two cords. You get a USB-A that has this weird little connector on it, and a USB-C with another weird little connector on it. So, and then you get this backing plate. And this backing plate, let's take that off, and that's pretty much all you get in the box there. And then this backing plate's going to go right down in there like that. But here's something very cool with this. Let me show you with these cords. I'm going to use the USB-C cord. I'm going to use my power bank here, plug it into the USB-C out on the power bank. They give you several of these little connectors that are lightning. It looks like you got 2 lightning and 3 USB-Cs. So I'm not going to need the USB-C. So you take this one little lightning connector, and then I have my iPhone 13 Pro, but pretty much any iPhone with a lightning port will work with this. So check this out, everybody. This is awesome. So once you stick that in, that just always stays in there. And you're thinking, oh, I don't want that always in there, but I will show you why that works so well. So take a USB-C connector and stick it into the back of that. And now you have this little base set up. This is not a magnetic charging base, and I will show you how this works. And then if you're wanting to just run a normal cord, let me get a USB-A. So that's a USB-A coming out of there. Check that out. You have a port, a thing right there that lights up. And then watch this, everybody. How awesome is that? Look at that. That is actually a MagSafe, a magnetic charging cord. You could put this in your car. You could put it like beside your bedstand. And I don't know if you're like me and you've ever jumped up to walk out and you grabbed your phone and forgot to unplug it. Well, check it out. This will just pop off like that. When you want to put it back on, you just grab it and just put it back on. It starts charging right away. How cool is that? So here's your base that might be beside your bed or beside your computer or something. Just come in. There you go. You got a fast charger right there because it's USB-C. So it's doing a fast charge on that. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's showing how much charging. Right now, I'm getting 13 watts of charging, 15 watts. So it says 15 watts PD of watts of charging. Watch this. It's going to 9. It went to 11, 12. All right, it's peaked out at 15 watts of charging. That is awesome that it's actually showing me how many watts my phone's getting and how much it takes at one time. That is very innovative on that. Highly recommend this for anybody that's broken cords or broken pieces out of your thing. And then back here in the back, by the way, you can run, how about that? These are like little extra holders right there for extra pieces. There it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the magnetic charging station. See you guys in the next video. Woo!